Comparison of rock mass properties calculator with Rocscience RocLab. Rock mass properties calculator is a specialized software designed to calculate rock mass strength parameters using latest generalized Hoek and Brown failure criteria. It offers a straightforward and user-friendly approach, enabling users to accurately estimate rock mass properties and visualize how variations in these parameters influence failure envelopes. We will compare the results generated by our calculator with those from RocLab to assess its accuracy and functionality. See in the below the example in figure 1 from RocLab, which we will use for comparison. Input parameters. In the below table 1, you can see the input parameters which are used in RocLab. As shown in figure 1, we are using the following Hoek and Brown failure criteria parameters as inputs, like the unconfined compressive strength of intact rock, the geological strength index, the intact rock parameter like Mi, and the disturbance factor D, and the other parameters as shown in the table 1. Their charts are provided in educational resources of single calculator. Figure 2 is the schematic diagram of tunnel, which is 342.3 meters below the ground surface, and the input parameters adopted for calculating rock mass properties around the tunnel. Now, to compare the results in our calculator, we will incorporate all the input parameters adopted in RocLab. Here figure 2 shows the rock input parameters in our rock mass calculator. Here QR code is also available to access our calculator, and it is free to use. Output parameters. Now to get the output results in our calculator, we need to click Calculate Hoek and Brown parameters. Here in the table 3, which shows the output result parameters generated from RocLab. Now in the next slide, we will see that our calculator is generating the same results as RocLab. This slide is showing the same output results, which you can compare with the results of the previous slide. Other display capabilities of this calculator are: it shows instantaneous failure envelopes of Mohr-Coulomb and Hoek and Brown with their equations and other calculation results. This calculator also has capability of providing bulk calculations of 50 different scenarios, which is shown in the next slide. As you can see in this slide, the batch calculator is shown where up to 50 rows can be added for 50 different scenarios. Last but not least, we will see the educational resources in our last slide, where you will find all the charts, tutorials, and other materials to refer and see while using the calculator.